So I've made it. I'm here at the Kawarau Bridge, right at the place, the spot where they jump. It's a 93-meter deep fall when you jump. It's snowing a little too much. Whew, it's cold. My hands are frozen. The snow is absolutely beautiful, and they have the two bridges here, like this bridge and the other one. And with the snow and the mountains, the view is just absolutely incredible. It's so worth just coming here to see this view. Even though it's snowing so much, it's still a beautiful place to come visit. Whoa! Welcome to Queenstown! Now we're very close here to the place we're staying in Queenstown. It was a nice drive, beautiful drive, not very slippery. The roads only on the top, like on a summit, it was a bit icy and slippery. But now here in Queenstown, just arriving now, and it's raining. Until 10 minutes ago it wasn't raining, but I knew it was gonna rain around 3 o'clock, and now it's precisely 3 o'clock. We are 1 minute away from the place where we're staying. This is the street. This is the entrance. Wow, looks so nice. There is a kitchen here, dining room table. There's an awesome fireplace there. Looks super comfortable, cozy, nice carpet as well. And there is one toilet here, the shower over there. Oh, hello. And hello again. And this is my bedroom. There's a wardrobe here. And what's in here? Oh, it's like a winter garden. Oh, very cool. And so the rest, let's show outside. Look at this view. Wow, incredible view. Another bedroom here as well. And another king bed. And another toilet here. Gonna take a shower and go to town, get something to eat. Let's go. Okay, so One of the most important things to do here in Queenstown in terms of food is to try the famous Fergburger. So Fergburger is like an institution of Queenstown. I've heard from some people, like when I took an Uber to go to the airport in Christchurch, from someone that was coming here all the time, and he said that he prefers Devil Burger. So today I'm gonna try Fergburger, and tomorrow, maybe for lunch or for dinner, I'm gonna try Devil Burger and see which one is better. Holy smokes, that thing is huge. Oh, the burger was absolutely amazing. I thought it was gonna be a lot of hype because I've been to places in Australia where there's a lot of hype and the burger is actually average. But this one, incredible. The taste was great. I'll give it a 9. Like, I was gonna order one, the simple burger just to taste it, and then I was just like, oh, there's a big one here, the big stuff it's called. And then I decided to get the big owl, which is just like double everything. Double patty, double cheese, double eggs, huge. And then I was brave enough to order also a side of onion rings and also some fries. The burger was delicious. If I had one thing to say was, because I ordered a burger that comes with aioli. If you don't know what aioli is, it's basically mayo with garlic in it. It's an Aussie thing, an Australian thing. It's delicious. But I ordered mine with aioli. But the aioli that they make it here, they put some black pepper in it. And I don't like black pepper. So there was a bit of a strong flavor of black pepper inside the burger, and it was from the aioli. So I guess next time I'll order one with just mayo, and it will be absolutely a 10. So it was well worth it. There was a lot of flavors to choose from. The staff was super friendly. I highly recommend Fergburger. Now it's 12:45 p.m. here driving in Queenstown, going to a spa to spend a couple of hours in a hot tub, and a steam room, and a dry sauna, and a swimming pool, the heated swimming pool, of course. And this spa is inside the Hilton hotel. So I'm leaving the Hilton spa here in the Kelvin Peninsula. It wasn't actually a very good experience at the Hilton because I booked the spa to just like, it's a leisure pass it's called. It's like $34 per person, and you can use the pool, you can use the jacuzzi, you can use the steam room, the sauna, the changing rooms and stuff. But the spa doesn't give you a key for the changing room. So basically you gotta leave your stuff there if you wanna use it, inside the changing room, which is kind of far, and then it's completely unlocked. So it felt a little run down as well. Like the sauna was a bit dirty. There was some spots that was a bit dirty. It wasn't as hot as I was expecting to be. So overall, not a good experience. I just basically left, didn't even use the facilities. It was not worth the price, even though it was cheap. driving here in the mountains, going to the Onsen hot pools spa. So we're about 1 kilometer away. A little bit of snow, a little bit of rain, a little bit of sun. Stunning place to be driving now. So I've been driving really slowly here as well because there's lots of warning for icy roads. You can see some snow on the ground. So we're almost there. The scenery is incredible, and now with the blue sky in the back, looks even better. So came down here to the Onsen hot pools to make a reservation for tomorrow, or ideally I'd like to go now, but instead we just made a reservation for tomorrow, and this is the view you're gonna get from the hot tub. All right, so living the Onsen hot pools here in the mountains. Made a reservation for tomorrow. Unfortunately, they were fully booked out, so the walk-in didn't work. But made a good reservation for tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna film it, and now going back to the city to have Devil Burger, because last night we had the Fergburger, the famous Fergburger, but we're gonna try the competitors today, Devil Burger, and see what it's like. So I've got mixed reviews. Like, everyone says it's great. Some people prefer Devil Burger, most people prefer Fergburger. So let's go check it out and see which one is better. So it's snowing a little bit here. I just left the place, Devil Burger. Just had a very nice burger there. I had the original one, but no relish, because I don't like relish. And it was actually just as good as the Fergburger that I had last night. But I think the difference was a bit lighter. I'm walking here now by the lake in Queenstown. All the ducklings here behind me. So cool. And the water of the lake is kind of crystal clear. See the pebbles here? So yeah, the burger was delicious as well, so I highly recommend it. The both burgers were awesome. This one was a bit lighter. It felt like it was lighter, but I think maybe in terms of flavor, Fergburger tastes a little bit better. I think there's a little more flavor into it. However, I ordered like a massive burger there as well. So it had double patties, double everything. And the one that I ordered today was just a regular burger, but I added bacon and added eggs, which I love. So both highly recommended, Fergburger and Devil Burger. Yeah, it's snowing here now. Beautiful, the mountains right there behind me. So this morning here, it's not a beautiful morning. It's been raining a lot since I woke up. So it's Sunday morning. So I came to check out the Kawarau Bungee Center. And they have the Kawarau Bridge, which it pushed the design limit back in 1880 when the bridge was built. And a century later, in 1980, that was the birth of the bungee jump here in Queenstown, New Zealand. So it's a 43-meter deep, and that's equivalent to a 10-story building. So pretty nice jump. And it's starting to snow a little bit now. It stopped raining and it's starting to snow. And I don't know, I'm gonna go check it out. We're gonna go inside, just see the space, see what it's like, find out the price. And if I have courage, I would jump. So I made it. I'm down here by the bridge. I'm gonna walk a little bit there. Let's go for a walk. Ooh, it's snowing pretty hard now here. Caution, ice. Super slippery here. This is where you jump from. Live more, fear less in Queenstown. Hell yeah. Woo! Whew, it's cold. My hands are frozen. The snow is absolutely beautiful, and they have the two bridges here, like this bridge and the other one. And with the snow and the mountains, the view is just absolutely incredible. It's so worth just coming here to see this view. Even though it's snowing so much, I'm not gonna jump. It's still a beautiful place to come visit and enjoy the amazing views. So now that I'm here, not gonna be able to jump, but at least I got to see this amazing view. It's time to go back inside, warm up my hands, and drive back to the city. I got the Onsen pools spa booked for 3:30, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat now and then go relax in a spa for 1 hour, just soaking in a hot tub and a jacuzzi with some bubbles and some snacks. So time to get going. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.